Today I'm going to replace a battery on an iPhone 6s. The customer's complaining that it's not lasting too long. So this is the phone in question. So yeah, I'll see how it goes. Right, let's put the light on. And I've got the battery here and some tools that came with it. Let's open it up and see what you get. I ordered the Geardo battery. I prefer this type because it lasts longer than as long as the original iPhone ones. So that's what I use. Let's just see what you get in the tools. Okay, so you've got a knife-like opening tool, a spatula tool. You've got a nice pair of tweezers, pointed tweezers, and you've got a what do you call it? An opening tool, a plastic opening tool, and you've got a screwdriver handle and some bits here. So it's a nice decent set of tools that you get with the with this battery. So let's just open the battery up. If I can. Alright. Now let's just break the box, shall we? Okay. Okay. So we've got a little adhesive here for the battery when you refit it, and the battery itself. So it is a high capacity battery. I think it is rated at 2200 mAh, while the original was 1800. So it's a better set of batteries. So yeah. So first of all, let's power the system off. Okay. And we undo the two pentalobe screws. I might need my magnifying glass for this. Okay. Right. Okay. Just undo the two pentalobe screws securing the screen. This is why we need the tweezers. And it still won't come off. Well, I need to unscrew it more. Yeah, there you go. Right. What I didn't get is a suction cup, which I don't have in here, but I'll just use my nails if I can to put it under. Ideally you should have got a suction cup with it. Where is the suction cup? Hang on. Okay, I got one here. So just a little suction cup, put it on the screen and pull. Okay, so as soon as you just get your fingernails underneath and open up the screen. Now you've got to be careful because the cable at this end, so it's better if you open the screen up and lever it like a book at that end. So as you can see, the screen cables are here. Now what you need to do next is to, let's use my mug to support the screen, shall we? So you've got to remove this plate here, these two screws, and we shall do that now. So you need a Phillips, which comes with the toolkit. So that's one, and the other one is here. Okay, take this one off. Just remember the orientation when you're putting it back. And now we can use our fingernails to unplug the battery. The battery has already been replaced before. That's why it's kind of loose like that, but normally you get a sticky pad on here that goes on like so, which shall I use, shall I not use? I'm not going to use, just in case that I need to replace the battery again afterwards. So just undo the covering, and so this is the new battery, and just basically put it back the way you took it off. Yep, we just clip it into place like so. It will give a click, yeah. Okay, and put the retaining plate back and the two screws. Okay. And of course, because it's so small, I need my magnifying glass for this. So there you go. Right, that's one side, and the other side. Just tighten them down. Okay. And then just put the screen back down. Now make sure that you hook the front bit over here. There is a hook. Just hook it underneath, and then just gently press it down. It's just basically as simple as that. Change the bit again to the pentalobe screw bit. Okay. Okay, and just tighten it up. That's one. to. You don't need to tighten it, over tighten it. So, and switch it back on. Okay. So that's battery replacement done on an iPhone 6s. Obviously just plug it back into the charger. I haven't got a charger on hand, but yeah, that is basically it. There you go. At the moment it's on 52%, so we'll need to charge it up. But yeah, that is basically how you replace the battery on an iPhone 6s. Hope you enjoyed it. Quick like, subscribe, and have a look at my other videos. Okay.